Homesteaders, gardeners, and cooks. My name is Jennifer. Welcome to Miles Away Farm, or welcome back. Today in the kitchen, in this quick little video, we are making homemade fudgesicles. And I don't know about you, fudgesicles have always been one of my favorite frozen treats. And one of the cool things about them is they're not super caloric. They're generally made with skim milk or 2% milk because of the consistency that they're looking for. Not really because they're trying to save calories, but it makes it a really nice, relatively low calorie treat, and they're super easy to do. And not surprisingly, when you actually stop and think about it, a fudgesicle is basically actually a pudding pop. And so these are made with gelatin, and that gelatin is what gives them that very unique consistency to a fudgesicle. You can play around with this recipe as you like. You can make it once and see what you like in terms of flavor and play around with what you add or what you don't add. You could do this with less sugar. You could probably even do this with a sugar substitute, although I think it would probably dramatically change the texture of your fudgesicle, and so know that going in. And then the thing I meant to do on this recipe in the video, and I just completely forgot when I was making them, was to add some Nutella. I have homemade hazelnut Nutella, and I thought it would be really good to have a fudgesicle with some Nutella in it. And so I'm actually going to remake these probably today and add some Nutella to them because I thought that would be fantastic. But you could play around with extracts. This has a lot of vanilla extract in it, but you could add a little bit of orange extract or add a little bit of peppermint extract if you liked chocolate and peppermint or chocolate and orange together. So lots of possibilities here, really quick and easy and super delicious and fun. The popsicle molds that I'm using, I'll put a link to this on Amazon if they're still being made. I think this was recommended originally by America's Test Kitchen, and I bought a set of them and I really like them. It has this nice little holder, but each individual case comes out on its own. So once things are frozen, you can toss these in your freezer without the case. And then they're somewhat non-stick, and so just like an ice cube tray, you run warm water on them, not too much, because if you start melting the stuff on the inside, then they're really hard to get out. But just run a little bit of water on the outside of these, and then they should just pull right out of the container. So fudgesicles, let's get started. Thanks for watching, Tribe. If you like this kind of content, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, leave me a comment, and share. I have new content coming out every week.